Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about how maintaining the landscape right around your home is real important to keep pests from making their way inside, particularly with your shrubs and trees and whatnot. If you have any that are touching the home that are overgrown, you need to get those trimmed off the home. They don't need to be touching. They need to be about 2 to 3 feet from the home actually, in order to help keep pests from making their way inside your home. You can see right here at this property, there's some boxwoods here, and there's a nice gap between the wall and the boxwoods, about 2 to 3 feet. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want. But if you look over here, these pittosporums are very overgrown, and they're right up against the house, touching the house. That's the perfect environment for cockroaches, ants, crickets, a number of pests to make their way into these shrubs, then make their way onto the house. You can put a pesticide around the foundation of your home in order to keep pests from making their way onto your walls and into your house. But if your shrubs are touching your walls, then they can just bypass that pesticide and then make their way up there and make their way into your home. So it's a great thing to do. Just walk around your home, check your shrubs, make sure nothing's touching the house, and then you need to keep it that way throughout the course of the year. You need to do that now because right now pests aren't quite as active, and here pretty soon in the spring they're going to be real active. So make sure it's done now, and that's really going to help you out for the rest of this year in keeping pests from making their way inside your home. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or need any help with that, let us know. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.